Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to automatically create sub-items for every new item in monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to monday.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your boards are visible. Now take a look at the left panel of your screen. This is where all your boards are listed. From here, click on the specific board where you want to set up the automatic sub-item creation. This takes you directly into that board's workspace, where you can see all your items, columns, and existing automations. Once you're inside the board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Automate. Click on this button to open the Automation Center. This is where monday.com allows you to create powerful workflows that save you time by automating repetitive tasks across your board. In the Automation Center, you'll see several options for creating automations. Look for the option that says Create from Scratch and click on it. This gives you full control to build a custom automation tailored to your specific needs rather than using a pre-made template. Now, you'll see two main sections in the Automation Builder: When this happens and then Do this. Start by clicking on When this happens. This is where you define the trigger that will start your automation. From the list of trigger options that appears, select When Item Created. This means the automation will activate every time a new item is added to your board. Next, move over to the Then Do This section. This is where you specify what action should happen once the trigger occurs. Click on this section, and from the action options that appear, select Create Sub-Item. This tells monday.com to automatically generate a sub-item under each new item that gets created on your board. If you want to add more sub-items automatically, you can easily do that. In the right panel, you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to add another action to your automation. This allows you to create multiple sub-items at once whenever a new item is added. Once you've clicked the plus icon, select Create Sub-Item again from the action options. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, depending on how many sub-items you want to generate automatically for each new item. After you finish setting up all your actions, click Create Automation. This finalizes your workflow and activates it on your board. From this point forward, every time a new item is created, monday.com will automatically generate the sub-items you've configured, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your projects. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automation to create sub-items automatically in monday.com. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.